So this is the first time I'm going to be cooking fish and grits in my cast iron Dutch oven pot. And I have it on like that right there. And I'm going to be frying fish for the first time. I kind of save my grease and try to strain it. I put a little extra in it, but yeah, this is hot. And I got this on 6. I'm going to cut that down. And I'm going to fry some tilapia in here. I got my cornmeal and seasonings ready. Come on, and let's see how this works out. First piece in. And I don't do deep fry, just kind of pan fry. Let's see how these come out. Make sure, let's see if they don't stick and all that good stuff. All right, I'm holding this in, trying to do this for y'all. So this is piece number 2. All right, so we're waiting for this to boil. I'm about to put some grits inside of it. Now that this is getting a little cool, we're gonna put a little bit of grits in here. And I have a video on how to make my creamy grits, so you can check that out. I'll try to leave that below as well. You want to put too much in there because you want it to not get thick. You want it to be creamy. So this is the first time making these in a cast iron skillet. So I have a Himalayan salt that was in there. So if you see any grains at the bottom, it was Himalayan salt, pink salt. Let me show it to you. And this is the one I have to temporarily use because my big bag that I probably would have showed you by now is in storage. So we're gonna let these cook. And I invested in some tops that will be versatile for the different cast iron pans because I don't want the heavy tops or heavy lids. So I'll be sharing that with you as well. I'm gonna cut up my cheese while I'm waiting for this to cook and continue to let these fry and show you when I flip them. I'm going to chop this up. I don't have my shredder, so I'm just gonna chop this up in little pieces. It is time to flip these. And I'm gonna use my tongs. Hold on, let me switch hands. Let's see how crispy these turn out. Nice and even and golden. Let's see how these grits come out. All right, chop that up. This is getting thicker. That's how we want it. And this, I love that you can use metals and you don't have to worry about it messing up the pan. So I can get any lumps or anything out of my grits and cook them slowly so that they can be creamy. All right, it is time to take these out. Wanted them a little bit more crispier than that, so my grits are getting creamy. And now I'm going to throw in my cut up cheese. Stir it around until it melts. And I cut this down like really low and it's still cooking. See that grease popping? I gotta clean that up. Fish and cheese grits. I got cheese in here, it has to melt. And I got some fried fish here. Got a couple more pieces. I had already cut my cheese up and I put my cream and stuff in here to make a creamy grit. You can see it's chunks of cheese that has to melt. Yep, and crispy. So we're gonna take them out. The other one's already out. So yeah, let's do the other ones. Not sticking, it's doing pretty good. Creamy cheese grits. The cheese is melting. And I'm frying some fish. Already have a few pieces fried. Creamy cheese grits. I'm frying fish and I have some already fried. And that's what we're having for dinner. Alright guys, everything is done and I am about to plate it. And yeah, that was making grits and some tilapia fish in my cast iron 2-piece set, but it's actually a top and a bottom, but it can be used as a 2-piece set. I am so loving this. I use this every day since I've got it. Alright guys, so I put a dollop of the olive oil, plant-based butter on top of it. And yeah, that is it. I'm sorry for the light and the darkness and all that, but just so you can get a gist of what I created out of my cast iron skillet. And I'm about to stick this in some water and kind of wipe that out. So I don't have to worry about it. You can still see it's still shiny and everything in season. So yeah, that was some fish and grits in my cast iron pans. All right. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family, and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And with that being said, I will see you guys later. Did you see this fork? We ready? All right, later. All done. All done.